package. We got a package from Tita Sharma. And then we got open. Yeah, yes, they're open now. Yeah. And now there's a. Okay. Yes.
Okay, baby, you want to sit here?
Mom needs some help. I can do it. Olive, you want some help? I can do it.
Did you guys say thank you?
Thank you. I said yours. Yeah, that's mine. Oh my goodness. I don't like Elsa anymore. Mommy, tell me.
You don't like Elsa anymore?
Nope.
Alright, open it up. Can you get the card first? Card first or
Card first. Oh, from Arlo. It's for Arlo.
Oh, it says Arlo.
Oh, yeah.
I think it says happy birthday, Arlo.
When my pet Arlo. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's my favorite biscuit.
Open the card first. Your favorite squirts here.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Here you go, Mom.
Thank you, baby.
Probably for you. Can I watch it?
Yeah.
Can I watch it?
Yeah, yeah, you can have it.
But don't rip the card. You need to see what's inside.
Oh, that's a good card. Show the guys.
Can I open it? Yeah. Can I open it? Yeah, you can open it. Do you want some help? Okay, I think you go. Oh my god, you can definitely not read that. I got you read it. What do you want? This one. Oh my goodness! That's not mine. No. Mommy, look.
Can I read this to you?
Yeah.
Happy 4th birthday. Wishing you a
Oh
super
my
fun.
god!
Can you listen out?
Oh yeah.
Wishing you a super fun
Oh my
and magical
goodness.
4th birthday. I hope your day is filled with lots of laughter, yummy cake, exciting presents, and all your favorite games.
Mommy, this is not my sauce.
That's English.
One more toy. So close to me. Mommy, where's my toys?
Oh, there's no toys, man. You're gonna be grateful for clothes. Clothes are really good.
No,
Keeps you warm.
Oh, it's right inside. Thank you. How to use it? There's nothing inside. Nothing inside. There's a hole in the sticker.
Almost done, baby.
Give me here. Get it out! Get the packing! Get it out! Get the new system! Get the head! Get the head! That's the new system! There's the new system! Here's the new system! Mommy! Here's the new system!
Guys, did you even look at the presents? Who's this for? That's for Isla.
But I don't like Elsa.
Well, this is gonna keep you warm. This is so nice. That's for Isla.
Look at this one.
Thank you. That's for you, Kois. That's nice. This is for Indy. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good for winter. Thank you. Who's this for?
And this
Who's
for,
this for?
this for oil.
Isla. There you go. That's for you.
Me.
A nice pajamas.
Mommy, look.
Oh, for
Mommy, look at this
winter.
one. Mommy, look for this one. This for oil.
Oh, that's for Isla too. Jamas. Oh, you matchy with Didi.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'd like to make it for you.
Alo. And look at this. Oh, Alo. Jamas again. These are all for Marks and Spencer's. Pero si Tita Charmaine yung nagbigay
Mommy,
nito.
look.
I told you. Look, Alo. This is amazing.
Yeah, look. Mommy, look.
Ah, that's so good, man.
Mommy, look.
Oh, Alo, look. What's that logo?
Avengers.
Avengers.
Avengers is simple.
A symbol, yeah. And this is for Didi. That's amazing. Thank you, Tita Charmaine. What do you guys say to Tita Charmaine?
And get my shaman.
Tita Charmaine.
Tita Charmaine.
Yeah.
That's Tita Charmaine.
From UK.
United Kingdom.
United Kingdom.
What kingdom? Kingdom.
Yeah. Look up. 4 is such a big and special age, and there are so many fun adventures waiting for you this year. Keep smiling, playing, and being the wonderful and happy kid that you are. Aww. Have the most amazing birthday ever, Alo. Lots of love, Tita Charmaine and family. That is so sweet.
Does she talk Australian?
She talks English.
Mommy.
Thank you so much for this. Super appreciate
I like
it.
the puppy.
This is my favorite. Huh?
I like the
You used to like the potato. Ang kulit-kulit nila. Gusto na yung lagi open. So sabi ko after mag-breakfast,
Mama,
ang
second.
bilis kumain. That's enough. Come on. Change clothes. Wow! It's so cute. School goes. Okay, clothes. Happy day. Time to do your hair, Ate. Where do you want to sit? Do you want to read while I'll do your hair?
Len. See that? Len. Right there. Can you see it? It's big horn. Len.
What hairstyle?
A bun mean which word?
A bun?
A bun with some hair in the front.
A bun with some hair.
Guys, can I tell you something? This one is new and Mom got it for me.
I sure did. He did.
Yep. Lena had a... Mom, you spread it on my book.
I'm sorry.
Mom, that's just a hit.
Hen.
Hen.
Yeah. Sus, di
Mine
din
gonna
makasali talaga
make
din.
Mama.
Baby.
And mine gonna make me.
Baby. A baby. A baby.
Lena, baby.
Tingnan niyo naman yan. Umaakyat na. A baby. Umaakyat. Sus, pagkabail. Batang bael. Gusto din makasali.
I got it right.
Which one?
Bye.
They. Yes.
Bye.
It's a tricky word.
Bye.
Milak. Okay, here. You want this? Batang bael.
Left.
Sige na.
One. I mean, one.
Ah, good job, Indy.
Ahead.
Take a bottle. Yes, babe?
Len with he sat on the log. He had hits. Mom, does that say hits?
His, yes.
His hat. Mom, does that say hat? Dog. But
Hold on, yeah, hold on. I like your hair.
and where?
Go to Kuya. Where's Kuya? Come on, Kuya. Go play with
Mom,
toys.
where?
Yes.
Let
Yes.
in the dog
You're welcome.
and I cat.
A bun, you said, yeah?
Upon
You want a bun, Ate?
Well, the cat sat on his lap. The dog was on the mat. They had a map. And I want to get a winter fair. You want to have this? Yes, it was a Jastic Star.
You did it?
Yeah.
The other book.
And I would say Ned was
Ned.
Ned was hot. He ran to the taps. I let
Yeah.
in
Hello! Update. It's 10:13 ng umaga. Alis ako in 15 minutes. Kami ni D. Pinatulog ko guys si D. Kasi kanina, antok na antok pa siya. Ang aga-aga niya nagising. Nauna pa sa alarm ko. So pinatulog ko para at least may tulog siya before tayo umalis. Magla-lunch lang kami ni Mer sa bagong Filipino restaurant dito. Ready ko lang yung aking bag. We have Indies water. We got her grapes. Niready ko na to kanina habang nire-ready ko yung lunch ng dalawa. Just gonna bring more snacks just in case. But punta kasi tayo dun para kumain. So kakain din yun siya. Bring her some potato sticks. I got my wallet. Alright. Exactly 15 minutes alis tayo. So before ko siya pinatulog, binihisan ko na siya para diretso na transfer sa car. Nakatulog siya mga 9:40. So at least may ano siya, 'di ba? 50 minutes na tulog. Dalhin ko na to dun sa car para ready na talaga. Wala na talaga akong isipin. Suot ko yung nabili natin sa Glassons nung nag-Randall Mall tayo. So yung display nila, parang nakaganon siya. Pwede din naman ganon. Pero level kasi, so pwede din siyang pa ganyan. Or pwede din ganyan. Yeah, but it's up to you. Very versatile na top. Oh yeah, gusto ko pala tanggalin yung kanyang mga abubot dito kasi nakikita. Meron sila iba-iba kulay na to. I got the red because I was wearing this necklace nung tinry ko to. And gustong-gusto ko siya. Tingnan. Yung red at saka gold. Ang ganda ng combination. 80% viscose, 20% polyester. Kasi para siyang knit na material. So inisip ko talaga hindi siya cotton. So viscose pala siya. Salamat, Charmaine and Fembam, sa always na pag-send sa amin ng package, guys. Sobrang gamit na gamit ng mga bata. Yung mga binibigay nyo, I know yung mga bata kanina nagko-complain kasi walang toys. But ganun naman talaga. Yung sa edad ni Arlo, ganyan talaga. Like even Ayla, nung mga ganyan kaidaran niya. Kapag sinasabing presents, yung nasa isip talaga nila toys. Parang wala talaga silang pakialam sa mga damit. Sa ganyang edad. Pero susuotin nila to, makikita nyo yan sa vlogs. And gamit na gamit to. So thank you Charmaine and the fam for always sending us stuff. Yung suot ni Arlo kanina na pajamas, galing yun sa inyo. So thank you. And I think meron na siyang ganito din, na sinend nyo din last time. Nakalimutan nyo siguro. I'm pretty sure he has this. Maybe not the exact same color, but I'm pretty sure he has this. And especially this. Thank you. Thank you. Super appreciated. Ang sarap-sarap ito. And naalala ko na, sa Bali pala, nakita ko yung Marks and Spencer's. Kung makapunta man kami sa mall ulit, i-check ko to. Sana meron dun. But yeah, kasi inisip ko, nakapunta na ako dun, pero hindi sa Pinas. I was thinking maybe Singapore or Bali, but it was Bali, I remember. Ready? Steady? Go! How many minutes? 24 minutes. Bagong Filipino restaurant siya, guys. Nasa Grove Street. Nice weather today. My car says 26 degrees. We'll see kung magbabago yan. Kasi nasa garage kasi siya. So baka yung garage namin was 26 degrees. But it feels really nice. Hindi mainit. Hindi din windy. So it's perfect. It's very chill. Very relaxed lang. Let's listen to music, Didi. Double XL. Okay. Paborito na niya din yung double XL. Silang lahat. Naglalakad na kami palabas. Dito na yan si Mars, naglalakad na din yun. Saan na yun si Inday? Ayan. So, nasaan? Ah, nandun. Hello. Ganda naman ng kakulayan na. Dito na kami, guys. Ayan, oh. Open na? May hagdan pa. Can we come in?
Are you open now? Yeah.
Yeah? Thank you. Uh-oh. Dito na kami sa loob pala, guys. Ang ganda dito. Yun sila. Kuya ate. Dito na yung aming mango shake. Wala na si D. Yummy? Pwede ka niyan. Okay, bigyan kita.
Yummy, yummy in my belly. Monday, Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday. Yeah.
Sarap?
Yabang ko talaga tayo.
May pagkayabang ka di. Uy.
Okay, hindi ganun katamis. So sila magsundo sa dalawa or ito?
Si Sharon, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah. Tapos bukas may ano ako, may ano si Arlo, yung immunization. Kasi ano ko, sinerge ko, kasi nga very tight ng schedule. Tapos yung nakuha ko lang, 250 bukas. Sabi ni Dan, ano, apaka, hindi ko kaya, hindi niya kaya. Sabi ko, sige, dalhin ko na lang yung 3. Pero tinanong namin si Sharon, pwede ko namang iwan yung 2 sa kanya. Kasi Arlo lang yung dalhin. Kasi isa lang naman, sabi ko, kaya ko yan. Isa lang naman. Pero si Sharon, free naman siya, buti na lang free. So, idadrop ko yung girls, tapos dalhin ko si Arlo. Kasi sinerge ko siya, sabi ko, pwede bang i-delay? Sabi ko, after na lang ba? May whooping cough kasi. Sabi niya, just in case, ano ba, ma-expose sa whooping cough, at least ano na siya, vaccinated na. Alis pa naman kayo, sabi ni ChatGPT. Sabi niya, alis pa naman kayo. So, at least may ano, covered siya sa, ano din, diphtheria, whooping cough.
Tetanus.
Combination siya. Ano, din, ubos mo today.
Ubus mo na yan, Joy.
Sabi ko, pwede ko bang i-delay? Pero okay naman, may view after naman sa girls. No?
Right. Oh, thank you, Baboy.
Sharing. Oh no! Try to eat. Oh no! You're gonna eat it. No, it's yours, not me. Good sharing. Nope. Buyak.
Kaya busy naman sila dito.
Kaya nga eh.
May mga bakery na nga doon ng mga telepono.
Yeah.
Parang dalawa na yung nasa isa.
Saan? Ay, nice. Salamat. Ay, yun. Yum! Yum? Yum! Ito, lumalaban to sa kainan. Ay, kare-kare namin, guys.
Ayun, eggplant.
Na-try mo yung kare-kare ni Manay? Di pa.
Di pa.
Sarap. Ay, thank you. Okay, dyan na lang. Thank you, May. Oh my gosh,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
good. Ang bango indoor. Salamat. Ay, ang sarap. Ang sarap ng kare-kare ni Manay. Dapat i-try mo. Yeah. I know you want rice. Hindi tayo ng plate, please. Ay, parang ang sarap ng kare-kare. Ah, si Manay? I-send mo sa kanya to. Ay, hala, buntit. Yung itlog pala. Hindi ko na-cook. Yeah, dyan ka. Or i-mix ko na para maluto. Yeah. Ayun na lahat? Yeah. Naluluto na yan. Ayan. Alright. Let's wait, Didi. Let's eat. Hindi mo na video tuloy yung nag-itlog. Ayan, naluto naman na. Yes, wait. Yan, wala na, maubos na ni Di. What's that, Di? Kaya nga. flat. Ako na. Tsaka pa daw, no? Meron pa ba?
Oo.
May maliit.
Maliit kaya di na lang yun.
Kaya. Ay, thank you.
And,
Ayan.
hindi ka ba nag-spoon?
Pero ayan, oh, may isa. I know. Sige. Huwag ka sisig, mainit. Ang malamig. May malamig. Maanghang. Ikaw, para ka namang parang gutom na gutom. Ano, serving spoon?
Serving spoon din. It's still hot, baby. Still hot na.
It's still hot, baby. Ikaw, hindi makahintay. Dyan ka dito ako.
Ay, ayaw mo na ka. Ay, ang dami kong rice. May kinaplato.
Ayan, sige. Ito parang hindi naman kumain.
May na ba yun?
Dalawang cereal. Nakapunta.
Happy day! Happy day!
There, happy birthday sa mga camera. Happy birthday.
Yung pandalita niya na-try ko na.
Yeah.
Pero yung palitan niya na-try ko na.
Kasi oxtail talaga yung namin ko.
Di ba na-try?
Hindi ko hindi. Kasi matagal na siya hindi ko. Hindi kasi siya makanak ng oxtail.
Yung bone, yung ano ba yun?
And may gulay. Alright, wait.
Ano bang kapilan na ito? Oo.
Are you oxtail? Ano gusto mo? Green beans. Green beans? This one? Mainit lang din. Ayan na. Ayun. Ang galing. Very good. Very good. Nakita akong video na yung Cebu Pacific flight nila i-cancel. Kinancel ng Cebu Pacific mismo.
Tapos?
Kinancel ba yun? Lahat, ano siya? Manila to Bangkok ata siya. Pero parang lahat ng mga flights kasi nga sa rationing daw siguro ng fuel. So yung April to September na flights kinancel daw ng Cebu Pacific. Yeah. Sabi ko, wala. Pero wala pa naman. Ano ko naman kami ano.
Ano ba kayo ano eh? Bakit ko na umalis eh?
Kaya nga eh.
Email na sila niyan.
Yeah, oo. Wala naman.
Ano kayo, Jetstar?
Jetstar, yeah. Tapos si Miss, okay naman. Doon naman, umalis kaya sila.
Si Mary Grace nga rin, alis eh. Ano,
Oh, yeah?
Pinas ka na April 9 naman. Tapos uuwi dyan. Susunod na sunod.
Sa Pinas? Gusto niya yung ano ba yun? Yeah.
Parang yun lang.
Hintay, di. Yummy! Good job! Good eating! That's it.
Yeah.
Yum?
Paka na.
Hindi ba? Pabalik namin. Saka magkukulala ito. We are done. Home is 26 minutes away. Same lang nung kanina pagpunta dito. Saan tayo dadaan? Doon. Okay. So, nagbayad ako ng... Anong oras ba tayo nakarating dito? Nagbayad ako ng $5 sa parking. Hindi ko kasi sure. Nakasabi kasi 2 hours free parking. Eh, hindi ko alam kung gaano kami katagal dun. So, nagbayad na lang ako ng 1 hour na parking. So, yung 1 hour na parking, $5 lang. Pero feeling ko hindi naman kami umabot pa kami 2 hours. Mabilis lang yung serving nila in fairness. Fairness naman talaga sa kanila doon. What? It's okay. Do you wanna listen to music? Happy day! Happy day. What's Ate doing? Can you pick up the rubbish on the floor, Indy? Rubbish on the floor. Good girl. Put it in the bin. Put it in the bin. Come on. You can do it. Is it hard to pick up?
Mom, this sentence
In the bin.
is helping me now.
In the bin. Alam niyo yung bin. In the bin. Bin. Open. Can you open?
I like to read
Mommy,
my
help.
words fast, so that's why I didn't do sentence.
Go, Didi.
Mom,
Good job!
I like reading my words fast, so that's why I didn't do it like in a sentence.
Okay.
So do you want to see?
Yeah. Show me. Kung ano-ano na naman pinagagawa nito. Oh, you picked up another rubbish. Well done. In the bin. Thank you, Dee. Push to close. Thank you. Clap, clap.
Okay, ready, Mom? Buck cat sat. Buck cat sat. Oh my God. Buck cat sat on the mat.
Good
Buck
job.
cat sat. Oh.
The cat sat on the mat.
That's buck cat sat on
On
the
the
mat.
mat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay. You think of the whole sentence, so it's not hard for you. So you just say, the cat sat on the mat. Just thinking of the cat that's sitting on the mat. Yeah? Instead of thinking of each word. It will be easier if you think of the scenario of the cat sitting on the mat. Say it again.
Buck cat sat on the mat.
Perfect! Beautiful. Katapos lang kumain ng mga bata, sinubuan ko lang sila kasi fried rice yung dinner nila. Nagluto ako ng fried rice, nilagyan ko ng carrots, itlog, at saka lobster. Kasi nilabas natin yung lobster kahapon. Hindi ko nilagay kasi yun sa anong kinuha mo dyan. Ito marunong na mag-open ng freezer. May dala-dala ng baramande. Anong gagawin natin sa baramande, Inday? Sili. Inday. Happy day! Ito yung kinakain ko. Lobster. Ayan o. Ayan o, may mga lobster na buo-buo talaga yan. It's good. Tapos na yung kids. Si Arlo guys, nakatulog. Diyan sa couch, nakatulog. Hinihintay ko na lang yung tawag ni Dan para i-start ko na lutuin yung kanyang dinner. Pero wala pang 6. 2 minutes na lang magsi 6 na. Tapos na kumain yung girls. Ha? Yes? Yeah? I'm trying to avoid Daddy. Daddy's naked. No.
Oh, look at Indy.